Hello, today we'll learn about collection protocols. This is again all theory. In this session, we'll look at Python's collection protocols, the standard conventions that allow custom objects to behave like built-in collections. These protocols are informal. You just need to implement certain methods to make your objects work seamlessly with the Python language and its built-in functions. We'll cover the construction convention, container size, and iterable protocols. The collection construction convention. Python's built-in constructors like list, set, and tuple can take any iterable as input. For example, list abc set range is given set range 3 gives 0, 1, 2. To follow this convention in your own classes, you simply need to implement ITR. Once you do, your class can be passed to these constructors and will behave just like any other iterable, which is a powerful way to make your classes interoperable and with Python's built-in collection. The container protocol. The container protocol defines how objects support the in and not in operators. To implement it, define the method in your class. For example, if you have a custom bag class that stored item internally, you can implement contains to check if an item is in self items. Python will automatically fall back to iterating over the object to check memberships, which works but can be less efficient. The size protocol. The size protocol allows objects to work with the length functions. You enable this by defining render length self to return the numbers of elements in your collection. For example, here we have a class bag and we have defined length and self object. Self length object is a self. Return length self items. Once implemented, your objects can be passed to length, and Python will also use this to determine truthiness, empty collections, evaluate false, non-empty ones to true. The simply protocol is essential for making custom containers. The iterable protocol. The iterable protocol allows an object to be looped over in for loops and comprehensions and built-ins like list or set. We implement this by defining itr self to return an iterator. This is the most fundamental protocol for integration with Python's looping constructors. Once you implement ITR, your objects can be seamlessly used in any context when an iterable is expected, making it a first-class citizen in the language. Together, this protocol construction, container size, and iterable provides a powerful toolkit for making your custom classes behave like built-in functions. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.